Good morning. It is a beautiful day here in my front yard. Trying to get out here early to beat the heat. It's supposed to be a hot day. I've got a small area down by the end of my driveway where I've got some palm trees. There's also a pretty big crape myrtle tree. I want to do some pruning, trim out some of the suckers that are growing up from the ground from the crape myrtle, and then do some pruning on the palm trees to get rid of some of those lower level palm fronds that are dying, aren't looking too great, hoping to breathe some new life into the area. I'll take you over there to show you where we're going to work today, give you a little before shot of everything before I start hacking away at it. So this is the area I'm going to be working in this morning. You can see the palm fronds have kind of taken over. Like I said, I'm going to come in here and trim up the dead or older fronds from the bottom. Should kind of breathe new life into the area and make it less crowded. Also make it easier for me as I back out of my driveway. I'll be able to see the cars coming down the street. I'm also going to come in here and cut out some of these suckers that are coming up from the crape myrtle tree. So overall should be a pretty quick project, but definitely stick around to see that reveal at the end. So real quick, I'll just go over the tools we're going to use. I've got a handsaw, I've got some loppers, leather gloves, and then hand pruners. I'll predominantly be using the loppers here and the hand pruners, but for anything that is thicker material, I'll break out that handsaw on the end to cut through it. The leather gloves are definitely helpful with the palm fronds. They've got thorns at the base of their stems, so it'll make cleaning up, gathering everything, bundling it much easier. I'll go ahead and link these products in the description. Some of them I've had for quite some time, so I'll link similar products if I can't find these exact ones in the description so that you can get your hands on some if you are trying to do a similar project in your yard. Check out those thorns. That's why those leather gloves are going to be super helpful later when we go to clean all this up. So just to show you how to use the loppers, we'll use this metal end to hook around the palm frond and then just chop. Cool thing, these loppers can extend. So you just twist to unlock them and then twist to lock them back in place. And you can lock them at any level, depending on how deep you need to get in and cut. It is hot. clean up the trunks a little bit, you can use the hand pruners and come in and cut out the bottom of the fronds so that it's a cleaner appearance at the trunk of the palm tree. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Before I show the reveal of the before and after clips of the area I just worked on, I wanted to say that if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more content related to gardening, landscape, and yard maintenance, please subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. That's a wrap here from me on my end. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I hope you find time to get out in your yard. Bye.